Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. I'm the brother lawyer. I teach at the Great Millstone Nashville camp, making a quick video of how it will look when these rolling blackouts start. This is a little preview, or I'm out, making my money, and this whole street right here will be lit up with street lights. Even these buildings, they've been knocked out, by the storm. All right, but we know that they plan on doing these rolling blackouts, right, to cause more chaos in the near future. This is just a great example of how dark is going to be here in Babylon. When they start messing with the power grids and cutting out power, in the US. So that's all I want to say about this little quick video. Just be prepared and enhance your spirit. Wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of our times, Isaiah 33. So this is just a precursor, of the blackouts. Shalom.